Hello everyone, this is Nicholas. Thanks for watching today's video. Today we're going to review the Edifier Neobuds Pro Active Noise Cancellation Bluetooth earbuds. Kicking things off as always with the price, the Neobuds Pros are currently priced at $130 US, which is roughly around 520 Malaysian ringgit. Now as for the unboxing, it was a very grand and pretty pleasant experience. The design of the box was very presentable and it better be with an amount of price. So the ear tips, they have them in various sizes and colors. Specifically for your comfort. They are also deemed as germ proof, so I think they have some sort of coating that is on the ear tips themselves, keeping you safe and also comfortable. Now for the LED lights that can be found on the earbuds casing itself, I personally think that it's very futuristic. Sort of reminds me of Knight Rider. Hopefully some of you are not too young to remember that. I actually quite like the overall matte finishing of the case as well, and also the overall high quality production of the earbuds and the casing. So the design of the earbuds are ergonomic in mind, and they are actually ultra secure fit due to its lightweightness. The slim form factor of the earbuds gives me a pretty comfortable experience when you're listening to music or playing games for long hours. Another thing that is important to note about the Neobuds Pro are that they are IP54 rated, dust and water resistance. So the Neobuds Pro are suitable for almost any of the sports or activities that are outdoor related. As for the sound quality, I will first spill up all of the specifications of the Neobuds Pro. It's packing a high-res audio with LDAC and LHDC, which delivers a high-resolution sound that can decode your songs rate up to 900 kbps. Now, the hybrid active noise cancellation that is utilized in the Neobuds Pro has claimed to be able to reduce up to noises of 42 decibels. As based off my own personal experience, the active noise cancellation doesn't completely cancel out the environmental noises, but I would say a good 80%. So whenever you're listening to your own music, it actually sounds much better because almost 80% of your environmental noises are shunned. The sound quality for the Neobuds Pro as an overall, I would say it's pretty solid. At this price, you're not expecting anything less. So it's a very good earbud. It also has support for ambient mode, so if you tend to travel, it is actually much safer that way. So let's say if you're running or even biking, you can actually hear the environmental noises around you. As for the microphone, the Neobuds Pro actually have 6 built-in mics. So what it does is it will help to suppress any sort of wind noises, ensuring a crystal clear quality. So without further ado, here is a mic test of the Edifier Neobuds Pro. Alright, so this is a quick microphone test of the Edifier Neobuds Pro. As you can see, both the earbuds are placed directly into my ears, and essentially, this is what you would sound like on the other end of the line if you're using the Neobuds Pro. I sincerely hope that this turns out good, because as for the pricing, it's definitely not something that is very affordable, but it's actually slowly going into the premium range in terms of true wireless stereo earbuds. So anyway, let me know what you think, and let's get right back into the video. As for the battery, the Neobuds Pro utilizes USB Type-C. On a single charge, you can actually get up to 6 hours of music playback and around 18 hours of continuous playback with the charging case. But also with the active noise cancellation on, you will lose out about 1 or 2 hours in terms of playback duration. The Neobuds Pro also supports quick charge, whereby within just 10 minutes of charging, you can get up to 1 hour of music playback. It runs on Bluetooth 5.0 and it supports latency as low as 80 milliseconds. So I think when it comes to your games or even your videos, you shouldn't be too concerned in terms of the latency. Now, in conclusion, who is the Neobuds Pro for? If you have a budget of 500 Malaysian ringgit just lying around for a brand new earbuds, this is actually not a bad choice. So just a quick recap, the sound quality is spectacular. It has hybrid active noise cancellation. It supports the IP54 water and dust resistance. And last but not least, a very futuristic and cool LED design. Unfortunately, wireless charging would have been a great added bonus in this case, but we can't have the best of both worlds. Anyway, let me know what your thoughts are of the Neobuds Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also click the little notification bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload my videos. I'm Nicholas and I will see you guys in the next one.